How to make money on TikTok. Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Donald. Here on my channel, I teach you how to make money online, side hustle ideas, how to grow your business online, and how to build a website, even if you are a non-techie person. Okay guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make money on TikTok. First of all, I want to show you guys something. Take a look at this. TikTok pays between 2 and 4 cents for every 1,000 views. This means you might expect 20 to 40 US dollars after reaching a million views. A million views, guys. No, that is very poor. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make money on TikTok, or rather how to make more money on TikTok using affiliate marketing. Okay, so for some of you that don't know what is affiliate marketing, it simply means referring a customer to a product or service that you do not own and then earn a commission from the owners. Okay, so guys, you can do this from any part of the world. All right, you can use ClickBank if you're in the United States, or you can use Digistore if you are from any part of the world that ClickBank do not accept users from. All right, so go to your Digistore. This is my Digistore dashboard. All right, first of all, you need to create an account on Digistore 24. Okay, so if you already have an account, let me assume that you already have an account with Digistore 24. All right, just in case you don't know how to create an account on Digistore 24, comment below and I will help you on how to do so, or simply search on YouTube on how to create an account on Digistore 24. All right, so after that, create an account with TikTok, which is of course free. Okay, this is my account. All right, you can see it's empty. Okay, so come back to your Digistore. You are going to choose a niche. All right, from these categories. Okay, create account on any of these categories. All right, so let me assume that you are using fitness and health niche. Okay, so what we need to do is to find a tool that we are going to use and make more money on TikTok. All right, and that tool is called myclue.link. All right, this is the tool. So you can use it for free, and you can also choose one of their paid plans. Okay, so I've already registered and I already subscribed to one of their paid plans. All right, so this is my dashboard. So the first thing we need to do is to come to bio pages. All right, click on create bio. Okay, so remember we are using fitness and health. You can choose your bio page name. You can say something like this: fitness and health tips, or guru, depending how you want to make the name to be captivating. All right, so let me just use tips. You can just be creative on that. We can just say get fit. Or get fitness and health tips. Okay, so you can just be creative on that, or you can just say lose weight tips. Okay, you can also use the same name to create your TikTok account. All right, so click here, select links. So come back to your Digistore account or dashboard. This is one of the products that we want to promote. Come back to your myclue.link. Paste it here. Get your affiliate link. Paste it here. Here you can just choose one of the icons, then click. Okay, we have added one of the products that we want to promote on our TikTok account. All right, so come back and choose another product. I'm going to add only 2 products in this video, so you can just get more creative with that. Okay, so you can just get creative with this. I'm just going to add 2 products in this video just to give you the idea, so you can just get creative with it. You can just get creative with the text. Just write something more eye-catchy. All right, you can also click on the sales page to get more clues. Okay, this the sales page did not bring any text, or maybe I think by the time this video plays to the end or to the middle, it's going to give us some text down here. Some of them does that. I'm not sure about this. So yeah, here you go. It says here, I want smart blood sugar. So you can come back to your myclue.link and just say get your smart blood sugar. Okay, we leave it at the same, on the same icon, which is the hand. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. Here you see we already have 2 products. Okay, let's choose something. Yeah, something like this. You can just say find below the products I highly recommend you use. Okay, can put it like this, drag it to the top. There you go. This tool is so nice that you can also choose other options. Okay, you can choose contact form, you can choose newsletter to collect email addresses. Okay, let's choose the newsletter. can drag it to the top. Yeah, you can leave it here. Okay, you can choose a logo. All right, or you can choose not to display avatar. Okay, you can choose social links. All right, so you can choose appearance, how you want it to appear. Okay, this tool is so nice. Okay, depending the one that you want to use. You see how it's displaying here. All right, okay, let me leave it at this. Okay, you can choose your logo. Okay, you can hit publish. There you go. This is our link now. When you visit this link, it brings us here. Okay, and when someone click here, they subscribe. Okay, you can collect emails. Okay, so come back to your TikTok. You can use the same name to create a TikTok account, of course, so that the users will not feel misled, or the visitors to your TikTok account. All right, then you can just say check or I can just say something like get fitness and health tips or to get fitness and health tips, go to you can copy your link and paste it here. Okay, and save it. There you go, guys. Okay, so when someone visits this link now, it will bring them to this place. Okay, so not only are you expecting to be paid this amount or this amount for every 1,000 views, or get paid this amount after reaching 1,000,000 views, not only will you be expecting to be paid these amounts, all right, you will also get sales. Okay, when someone click on the link and go to this page and click on any of this, let me click on one so that you see what happens. It takes the person to the affiliate product. Okay, and when the person buy the product or subscribe to the service, you get paid commission at the end of the day. Okay, so this is the top way to make more money on TikTok. Okay, you can also use your link, this same link, on Instagram if you want to. You can use it on Facebook as well if you want to. So this is the one of the top way that you can generate more income using your social media handles. All right, So guys, I hope you find value in this video. So subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, because I'm going to be making another video on how you can be uploading on your TikTok account without showing your face. Alright, you can put your face here, okay, just for them to know the owner of the account, or you can just put the same picture that relates to your account niche. Alright, it's up to you, but I will show you how you can upload videos for free, okay, using without showing your face. All right, so just subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell, so that if I upload that video or any other video that will help you make money online, you will be the first to get the notification. All right, thank you so much for watching, and please like this video and share to your friends and family to also help them to make money online. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching once again, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.